Hi everyone, I am Aishwarya from class 8. So friends, let's discuss about exercise 5.2 today. Friends, now question number 15. A cell phone company fixed the price of a cell phone as 4,500. A dealer purchased a cell phone on which he paid 12% GST additionally. How much did the dealer pay as GST? What is the purchase price of the cell phone? So, first of all, fixed price of cell phone. Fixed price of cell phone, that is 4,500. GST how much? 12%. GST is equals to 12%. So first we have to find how much did he paid as GST. First we have to find GST. GST amount is equals to 4,500 by 100 into 12. Percent we took as 100 here, 2 zeros, 2 zeros. 45 into 12 is equals to 540. So next we have to find the purchase price of the cell phone. Purchase price of cell phone is equals to rupees 4,500 plus 540, that is 5040. Therefore total amount of the cell phone the dealer purchased is rupees 5,040. Now the last and final question, 16th question. A super bazaar prices an item in rupees and paise so that when 4% sales tax is added, no rounding is necessary because the result is exactly in n rupees. Where n is a positive integer, find the smallest value of the n. So first of all, let the cost price be x. Then next the x is increased on 4% sales tax, then it becomes x plus 4% of x is equals to n. That can be written as x plus 4 by 100, percentage is nothing but 100, into x is equals to n. This can be written as 104x by 100 is equals to n. So x is equals to n into 104 by 100. If we cancelize this, we get x is equals to 25 plus n by 26. Here n should be less than 26, that means less multiple of 26, then only the article should be represented in only numbers. So 26 is possible in table 13. So 25 by 26 into 30, x is equals to 13 ones are 30 twos are 25 by 2, that is equals to 12.5. Then next we have to find the rupees. First of all, 12.50 plus 4 by 100, the 4 percentage, into 12.5. 12.50 plus, if we do the cancellation, we get the answer 0.5. That total is equals to 12.50 plus 0.5 is equals to rupees 13. So this is the value of the n.